Hey guys, my name is Kenny. I recently started using a Derma Roller for my beard, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. So my last video was an update on my beard journey using minoxidil. I've been using minoxidil for around 3 years, but over the past year my progress really started to slow down. I think minoxidil is still working for me, but it's going at a really slow pace. There's still some major gaps I want to fill in, which is why I decided to try something else. First of all, minoxidil was intended to grow hair on the scalp, but then people started using it on their beard because it does the same thing. And it's the same process with derma rollers like this. Many people use this on their scalps to help bring hair back. But now there's also some research that shows that this helps with beards too, because it really is the same process. The proper term for this is microneedling, and it's just a bunch of tiny needles that poke holes in your skin. And all those little holes are injuries in your skin, and your body starts to heal itself. When you use this on your beard, circulation improves, and blood starts to rush to that area, which is exactly what helps that beard grow. And it's the same reason why people use this all over their face. Using this on your face can help you achieve smoother skin and help fix uneven areas. But for now, I'm just going to stick to what this does for the beard. There's different sizes that you can buy. I first started with the 0.25, but I soon learned that this was too small. 0.25 millimeters is probably the smallest size you can get, which means the holes on your skin won't be as deep. If you want your skincare products to have a better effect on your face, then you go with something like this. But for a beard, I've read this is too small to actually do anything. Across multiple websites that I've read, most of them said that you should go with a 0.5 millimeter. This seems to be the middle ground that most people agree on that helps your beard. I'm going to leave a link down below for this exact one that I use. You may have also seen ads for your beard that include a derma roller like this. They're pretty much just taking a tool that's been used for years and branding it as a beard tool. But instead of spending money on those beard kits that they call it, you're better off just buying a regular derma roller. And it's much cheaper that way. Again, for beards, you want to stick with something that's around a 0.5 millimeter. 0.75 millimeter should be the absolute max you're using on your beard. Anything above 0.75 should be left alone, and should only be used by professionals. Also down below I have links to some studies. One is a study on how derma rollers help prevent hair loss on your scalp, and the other is a study for derma rollers on your beard. Apparently when you combine a derma roller and minoxidil you get the greatest results. So far I've been using this by itself, but I'm going to start including minoxidil pretty soon. But the thing you need to remember is, when you use the derma roller, you need to wait at least 24 hours before you apply minoxidil. If you apply minoxidil right after using it, you're going to get really bad side effects. Now this is how you use the derma roller on your beard. You need to remember to always disinfect your roller before and after you use it. I'm going to leave a link down below that tells you exactly how to disinfect your derma roller. Now to use this, you want to go on your beard in all different directions. So basically up, down, side to side, and diagonally. But you don't want to be rolling up and down like this. So basically pick one direction and then stick to that for a little bit. So when I started, I usually go from top to bottom. So I place it on my skin and I roll it downwards. And once I get to the bottom, I take it off my skin and then I go again. I do that a few times in the same spot and then I move on to the next spot. And then once I go over the entire beard, I switch directions and I go side to side. You start from here, go to here, and just lift off. And then go again. And then I go diagonally a few times too. You will definitely feel the needles, but it shouldn't be super painful. And there shouldn't be any bleeding as far as I know. Bleeding usually happens with the bigger sizes. My face just usually gets really red, but that goes away the next day. Again, when you're done using it, you need to disinfect it. When I'm done, I just apply moisturizer. There's apparently some things you should avoid, like vitamin C and retinol. But if you're not really sure what to put on afterwards, just stick to pure hyaluronic acid. Again, don't apply minoxidil until 24 hours after you do the derma roller. Microneedling with the derma roller has many benefits, and I hope this helps my beard out. I'm going to keep using the derma roller for a few months, and then I'll make a video with an update. If any of you guys have used a derma roller or any other products that helped you get a beard, please let me know. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.